Hi, I'm Keith, a technician at USACLEAN, and this is a 1610 battery-powered carpet extractor, commonly used for everyday cleaning or carpet restoration. In this video series, we're going to show you how to repair basic common issues you may run into with your machine. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and replace the solution drain hose on your Ready Space 1610 walk-behind carpet extractor. Very simple, very easy to do. As you can see, I've already got this one off. But they come standard. You'll come with your hose clamp on the end of your hose. So it'll come like this. I'm putting a brand new hose on here. What you want to do is get an 8mm socket and loosen your hose clamp on your old hose. Reuse it if you can. If not, order a new hose clamp, which we sell the hoses and the hose clamps here at USACLEAN. Just reattach your hose clamp, and obviously if it's too tight, then loosen it up a little bit. Reattach your hose clamp. Firmly grip the hose and push it back on the solution tank drain. Next, just make sure your hose clamp is tight and tight on the plastic to ensure no solution leaks. Now, your bottom tank is your solution tank and the top tank is the recovery. The hoses are the same, just the placement of the plastic drain is different. Done. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions for any videos you'd like to see on floor cleaning equipment, feel free to leave a comment below or visit us at our website at USACLEAN.com, where you can also purchase parts and equipment online. From all of us here at USACLEAN, thanks for watching.